I don't like this one so far. Sometimes you gotta just do it. Hi everybody, Mr. B here. I don't know if you can hear me because the whole neighborhood's mowing their lawn. I'm just gonna look at some of these cuttings and see if it's time for pruning on these. These are first year cuttings. These are cuttings from this year, and some of them, I mean, this one's probably not going to be a survivor, but we got some cool little Brazilian rain trees. We'll find some fronts, find something to prune. So I'll cut here and try to save this side. It's not looking very good. We'll see. If not, that's fine. I don't know how these are gonna even do training as bonsai. These are hydrangeas. We'll see. I like to try new things. Oops. I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait till spring. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna lean it like this. Pull this down. Cut here, try to get back budding, get a branch on this side. This is a customer's birch, unfortunately. Not looking too great. Look at all those guys. Tried my best to get that back together, but I don't think we made it. I think it was just too late, too far gone. I might keep this. I might keep this a twin trunk. And if I do, I'll take this off. Actually, you know, I said this was a cutting, but it's a seedling that came up with cuttings. I had a tray full of Azalea cuttings, and suddenly I had cuttings and seedlings. Actually growing pretty well. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this is one of the cuttings, I believe. Yeah, this is one of the cuttings, and this is a seedling. I mean, they're not far. The seedlings look better than the cuttings, no doubt. They got these nice curves down here. Beautiful. So I'll take the ends. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet with these. They look so nice this small. I might try to keep them this small for as long as I can. So that's pretty compact. Beautiful. Love it. Alright. I don't like this one so far. Sometimes you gotta just do it. Now what do we have here? I'll have to check what this is. I didn't put it there. I put that there.